now it's time for the July BoxyCharm Base Box unboxing. This is my sister's BoxyCharm box, and this is what it looks like. And it's a pretty small box, but it is kind of busting out of here, so there are quite a few things in here. She already showed me what was inside, so it's not going to be a surprise to me, but I'm still excited to show you guys what she got. Alright, here is the card, and it says Sunshine, and she got variation number 35. The first product on the card is a product that my sister has already been using, and it's the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. This is what it looks like, and this is what the packaging looks like. This product is a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts that come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. And the original price is $49.95, so this is a pricey serum. She hasn't told me how she feels about this product yet, so I'm going to ask her, and if she has anything good or bad to say, I'm going to put it on the screen. The second product on the card is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray. This is what it looks like. Well, this is what the packaging looks like. And this is what the product looks like. And my sister thought that this was just so cute. She was excited about this product because of its packaging. Set and refresh your makeup with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. Infused with coconut, this luminous ultra-fine mist holds makeup while micro pearls add a delicate glow over the skin. The delicate coconut scent and healthy glow takes you straight back to the beach. And the original price is $22. The next product is this Ace Butte Blushed in Paradise palette. The Blushed in Paradise blush palette is an addition to our much-loved Paradise collection. 4 blush shades are featured to provide a natural flush of color, and the original price is $30. The next products in the box are the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Joya Strengthening plus Smoothing Shampoo and Conditioner. This is what they look like. These look like travel size products, and I am going to be putting these in a giveaway because this conditioner does have silicone in it. This set includes a creamy lather sulfate-free shampoo and a creamy rich yet weightless conditioner for silky, touchably soft hair. The patented Sol Seal technology is clinically proven to smooth and restore healthy hair, and the original price is $24. These are really small to cost $24, so I don't know what's up with that, but hopefully whoever wins these will enjoy them. And the last product in the box is the Douce Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen. It says it's a deeply pigmented and waterproof graphic eyeliner that is easy and effortless to apply. The design of the felt tip applicator allows you to create either a thick or thin line depending on the amount of pressure used during application. And the original price is $21. This is what the pen looks like. It is pretty lightweight and it feels nice. It feels like it'll be pretty easy to grip. This is what the actual liner looks like. And I'm really excited about this one because my sister said that I could have this pen. So I'm excited to try some wing looks with this. Alright, those are all the products that are in my sister's July BoxyCharm Base Box. She loved this box and I liked it. She's going to be continuing her BoxyCharm subscription, and I'm thinking about starting mine back up. I might do that in September or October, maybe sometime around then. For right now, I feel like I'm good on skincare, hair care, makeup, everything. So I'm going to just stay away from Boxy for a minute. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching.